In today's fast-paced world, effective project management is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity for individuals, teams, and organizations of all sizes. The market is flooded with tools promising to streamline workflows, enhance collaboration, and ultimately drive success. Among these, Smartsheet has emerged as a powerful and versatile platform, lauded for its spreadsheet-like interface combined with robust project management functionalities. However, a common question arises for those considering adopting this tool. Is Smartsheet free to use? As a project management expert, I understand the importance of cost-effectiveness, especially when evaluating new software. Therefore, let's delve into the intricacies of Smartsheet's pricing structure and explore whether a free option exists and what its limitations might be. We'll break down the various plans, analyze their features, and ultimately help you determine if Smartsheet aligns with your budgetary constraints and project management needs. The straight answer: Smartsheet does not offer a completely free, perpetual plan. It's crucial to clarify upfront that Smartsheet operates on a subscription-based model. Unlike some other productivity tools that offer a basic, permanently free tier with limited features, Smartsheet requires users to subscribe to one of their paid plans to access the platform beyond a trial period. However, the story doesn't end there. Smartsheet does provide a free trial that allows potential users to experience the full capabilities of the platform for a limited time. This trial period typically lasts for 30 days, offering ample opportunity to explore the interface, test out various features, and determine if Smartsheet is the right fit for your specific needs. Understanding the Smartsheet free trial. The free trial is a valuable asset for anyone considering Smartsheet. It provides unrestricted access to one of their business-level plans, allowing you to create and manage projects, build detailed project plans with tasks, dependencies, deadlines, and assignees, collaborate with team members, share sheets, assign tasks, and communicate in real time. Utilize various views. Explore grid, Gantt, card, and calendar views to visualize your project data in different formats. Automate workflows. Set up automated alerts, reminders, and updates to streamline processes. Integrate with other tools. Connect Smartsheet with popular applications like Microsoft Teams, Slack, and Google Workspace. Access templates and resources. Leverage pre-built templates for various project types and explore Smartsheet's learning resources. The value of the free trial. This comprehensive trial period is designed to allow you to fully evaluate Smartsheet's potential. You can actively work on real projects, involve your team members, and assess how the platform can improve your current workflows. This hands-on experience is far more valuable than simply reading about the features. What happens after the free trial ends? Once the 30-day trial period concludes, you will need to subscribe to a paid Smartsheet plan to continue using the platform. If you choose not to subscribe, your access to your created sheets and data will be suspended. While your data is generally retained for a period, you will not be able to access or modify it without a paid subscription. Exploring Smartsheet's paid plans. Smartsheet offers a tiered pricing structure designed to cater to different user needs and team sizes. As of my last knowledge update in late 2023, these plans typically include Pro Plan. This plan is generally designed for individual users or small teams needing core project management functionalities. It usually includes features like unlimited sheets, basic collaboration, and reporting. Business Plan. This is often the most popular plan, suitable for teams of all sizes requiring more advanced features such as automation, dashboards, resource management, and enhanced collaboration tools. Enterprise Plan. Tailored for larger organizations with complex needs. This plan offers advanced security features, user management controls, and customizable solutions. Important note: Smartsheet's pricing and plan features can evolve. It's always recommended to visit their official website for the most up-to-date information on their current offerings. Factors to consider when evaluating Smartsheet's cost. While Smartsheet isn't free in the long run, it's essential to consider the value it brings to your project management efforts. Here are some factors to weigh when evaluating the cost. Increased productivity. Smartsheet can significantly streamline workflows, automate repetitive tasks, and improve communication, ultimately leading to increased productivity and time savings. Consider the cost of inefficiencies in your current processes. Enhanced collaboration. The platform facilitates seamless collaboration among team members, regardless of their location. This can lead to better coordination, reduced errors, and faster project completion. Improved organization. Smartsheet provides a centralized platform for managing all project-related information, making it easier to track progress, manage resources, and stay organized. Better decision-making. Real-time data and insightful reports enable better decision-making, allowing you to identify potential issues early and take corrective actions. Scalability. Smartsheet's tiered plans allow you to scale your usage as your needs grow, ensuring that the platform can adapt to your evolving requirements. Integration capabilities. The ability to integrate with other essential business tools can further enhance efficiency and data flow. Are there alternatives with free plans? Yes, there are several project management tools available that offer free plans. These plans often come with limitations in terms of features, the number of users, or storage capacity. Some popular examples include Trello. Known for its Kanban-style boards, Trello offers a free plan suitable for basic task management. Asana. Asana's free plan provides list, board, and calendar views for small teams. Monday.com. While primarily a paid platform, Monday.com sometimes offers limited free trials or very basic individual plans. ClickUp. ClickUp boasts a feature-rich free plan with a generous number of users and tasks. Choosing the right tool for your needs. The decision of whether to invest in a paid tool like Smartsheet or opt for a free alternative depends entirely on your specific requirements and budget. Consider the following questions. What is the complexity of your projects? If you manage intricate projects with numerous dependencies and stakeholders, a more robust platform like Smartsheet might be necessary. How many team members need access? Free plans often have limitations on the number of users. What level of features do you require? Do you need advanced features like automation, dashboards, and resource management? What is your budget? Be realistic about what you can afford to invest in a project management tool. What is the learning curve? Consider the ease of use and the time it will take for your team to adopt a new platform.